Right, so moving on to, we have a few Law Firm of the Year awards to give away, and our first one is from Polish Law Firm of the Year, and I'd like to invite up Daniel Jabłoński from the City magazine to help give this award away.
And here are the nominees in this category: Axel, Credo-Legal, Gessel, Wierzbowski, Eversheds, Sutherland, White & Case, and Studniarek i Wspólnicy.
So Daniel, welcome, and thank you for helping us give this award away today.
Good evening. The prize in this category goes to company Gessel.
Congratulations. Please join us here for a photo. We got our guy replacing the memory chip, so give us another minute. There we go. So congratulations, and please say a few words.
Thank you very much for this award. It's a real honor for us to receive this award. We are celebrating our 25th anniversary this year, so it's also a very good gift for us for our anniversary and our and we have closed over 20 deals last year, and I think that this is real proof of recognition of our leading role in the Poland M&A legal industry. Thank you very much once again.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you.